Good morning, everyone. Today we're gonna go to Animal Kingdom, and then we're gonna head over to Epcot. What else?
I think that's it. I think that's what we're planning on doing because we're gonna come back probably in a few months or so. And we're gonna go to Magic Kingdom next time. So
yeah, we're gonna go check out Animal Kingdom first. Probably check out the new Pandora site, and then we're gonna get some food and wine at good old Epcot. So
I want coffee.
Yeah.
I need breakfast.
We're gonna pick up some breakfast first.
What time is it right now?
It is almost 9, so 8:55.
Yeah. The place they open at 9, so we're kind of late, but yeah. So see you there.
Let's go.
Baby got his coffee. So exciting. I'm gonna make it ears.
There's a button on the side that lets you
Hey, like it.
Vicious predator.
We got some bugles. Look at him. We're snacking before we eat. But we're going Animal Kingdom first. But this bus is way better than the one that we had took yesterday to Disney Springs. Make sure you like the video, like this video. Make sure you subscribe. Down below is the little red button that says subscribe if you aren't already subscribed. We're still waiting on some more people to come in to leave to Animal Kingdom. But yeah, so we will see you in the next video.
Want to talk about
Baby's so cute We made it to Animal Kingdom. We just went through security checking, and then now we gotta go get our tickets and do our bands or whatever. So it's a nice day. It's kind of humid. My curls already came out and all that stuff, but it's all Gucci. Now it's kind of getting a little packed, but it's all good. We got our bands activated. We're waiting to get into the line.
Greetings, everyone, and welcome to Disney's Animal Kingdom. An exciting expedition into wild places and wildlife is about to begin.
Honey, excited?
Let's go.
We about to get a hella tan. I forgot to put spray tan thingy or the little sunblock on Chris, and he gets sunburned real quick. So we about to explore.
Where are we at?
Entrance. Right? Entrance?
Yeah. What do you want to see?
Let's go straight to Pandora then.
Okay.
If I even know where that is. Pandora. So go all the way straight out and then turn left. Sabenya.
Which state?
Oh shit. I would think since we're going left, we might as well go this way.
Yeah, it doesn't matter.
Yeah, I think it'll lead to the middle anyway.
This is it, guys. Pandora.
to Africa. We officially can say we traveled the world. Just kidding. Just kidding. What is the destination we're trying to get to, honey?
Lion King.
Oh, we're waiting to go to Lion King.
But the sun rolling high through the sapphire sky keeps great and small from the endless ground. It's a circle of life.
Good afternoon, everyone. What time is it, babe?
5:35.
5:35. We just woke up from a nap. We went to Animal Kingdom, came home, showered, and then took a nap. Oh, and ate.